Okay guys, may nakita kaming mulberry sa tabi ng daan. So bumaba kami para magkuha. Ang dami! Oh my gosh, we need to have some. We need to have daddy container. It's a lot. Amazing. Ang sobrang stop tamis. Grabe, hindi sila nangunguha. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh my gosh. How much you buy it from the Walmart? Tignan nyo.
Those are blackberry.
Your blackberry?
The ones we bought. Come on.
Uwi kami, kukuha kami ng lagayan. So, nandito na ako sa bahay, kukuha ko ng lagayan. Since walking distance lang yun mula dito sa bahay, maglalakad lang kami punta dyan. Nice sunny day! Oh my God. So, yan lang yung puno, guys.
Come on.
Waking up.